In this beginner tap dance workout, we're going to get your body moving and put a smile on your face. Also, for the month of January 2023, if you purchase a large or premium package, that's a large or premium package at unitedtaps.com, you're going to get our Sustainable Daily Fitness course for free. That's right, we're going to throw it in for free, a $99 value. That course is going to teach you how to create and, more importantly, sustain a daily fitness routine for the rest of your life. We all know we need to work out every day. We're going to help you make that a reality. So check that out at unitedtaps.com, all large and premium packages. Get that course for free. All right, let's jump in. All you have to do is follow along. If I'm doing something a little too fast or a little too hard, just stick with the slow and easy version. All right, let's do this, shall we? Start nice and easy, move those toes. You got it. Already feeling good. Woo! How about some heels? Oh yeah. Excellent, you have. Toes, heels, toes. Toes, heels, toes. Oh yeah, little twist. Warming up those legs. Yeah. One more. Now you have toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Yeah, gonna work that coordination. All right, keep it rolling. Nice and strong. And now you have step up on the balls of the feet. Heels up. Now let's get fancy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Keep it going. Yeah. We're moving now. One more. Now stand. That's flat foot. Let those calves rest, right? And our pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You got it. Nice and easy. Yeah. Now we're in the mix. Stand, step, and step, and step. Down, down, and up, and up. Now you have stand, step, step, step. Hey. Yeah. Beautiful. And now you have step and heel, step and heel. All right, to the right. Oh, looking good. And back to the left. Beautiful. Faster if you can. If not, just keep it slow. Now move around wherever you want to go. Do a little dancing. And now you have tig toe, tig toe. Beautiful. Move it to the right. Yeah. And back to the left now. Woo. Faster if you can. And back to the right. Here we go. Yep. Ah. Yeah. Now we have Irish left foot, Irish right foot. Stamp, stamp. Irish left foot, Irish right foot. Yeah. Here we go. Woo. One more. Flaps. A lap, a lap, a lap, a lap, a lap, a lap, a lap. Double time if you can. All right. Yeah. Now you have the lap, heel, the lap, heel. Yeah, just circle it around. Beautiful. Keep going. Hey, beautiful. Well, I hope you had a good time. I got my heart rate up a little bit. Hopefully you got your heart rate up as well and you had some fun. If you did have fun, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And take a moment and drop a comment down below. It really helps us out. You can tell us what you like, what you don't, what you want to see in the future. I'll give you a second to do that right now. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Again, if you purchase a large or premium package at unitedtaps.com during the month of January 2023, you get that sustainable daily fitness course. It's brand new. You get it for free, and that's going to help you really establish a daily fitness routine. We all know we need that, and we feel better when we make it happen. So you can take advantage of that all through the month of January. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I, of course, am Howell from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.